This is a 6T70 transmission, could be 6T75, but same thing. 6T70 transmission out of a Buick Traverse. Okay, I think it's Buick Traverse, or is it Chevy Traverse? Chevy Traverse, I believe. But this had no reverse, and pretty much everybody know what goes on when this has no reverse. This 3.5 reverse drum gets damaged. What normally happens is the wave spring tears on this thing, or it breaks, and then it causes the snap ring to blow out, and the wave and snap ring works its way down into the gears if you keep driving and tear everything up. But this one is different. The 3.5 reverse clutches were messed up in here. As you can see, these are all messed up, and they were out. But the difference was that the wave plate was not the issue. This never broke. Okay, this never broke. What happened was, as this piece here, the snap ring just got stressed out. So normally the bottom part of this is all chewed up right here. It's not chewed up now. It just, the snap ring, I guess, got fatigued and popped out, and the clutches came out. And inside of here you will see where there's a piece of snap ring right there. Down in here, you know, some of the snap ring got in here and messed this up. It don't look like it messed the gears up. If it didn't mess these gears up, you could reuse these drum. But you have to, let me see if I can get a piece of snap ring. I see it in there. You have to try to get all this snap ring out. There it is. Get this snap ring out. And you're going to have to take every single one of these gears out to see if pieces of this snap ring have wedged itself up in there. If it did, as it's driving, it'll wedge itself up into these gears, and as the gears turn, it would just tear the teeth of the gears up, you know. So you have to take this thing all apart. You see, all this metal, it's all inside this thing here. Okay, so this was a new one because, like I said, the wave plate is what normally mess up on this, and that didn't happen on this one. It showed a different symptom. The snap ring popped off, and those grooves are no good. So what that lets me know, whenever you're going to repair this transmission or rebuild this transmission, always replace this drum with a new snap ring and wave plate. Don't think now that the wave plate is the one that's going to cause the issue, because this is not damaged. This wave plate is fine. I would never reuse that because it may break, but it didn't break this time. So again, always replace this drum with a brand new one and a brand new snap ring and a brand new wave plate. And then you should be able to go some more thousands of miles. But once again, when you take this apart, make sure that you take everything apart, because you got to find every piece of snap ring that might be hiding inside there. Sometimes it messes up the that sprag that's in there too, or mechanical diode they call it, because it clicks, I guess, but still same thing. So once again, change that part, brand new, put a brand new one in. Don't use a used one. There's a piece of snap ring here, here, and right here. It looks like it probably didn't make its way down here to mess nothing up.